Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we got the TL. We are going to be swapping out clutch master cylinder. I got a K-Tuned master cylinder up in the box there. We're swapping it out because this car has been shifting like crap recently, and I think it's all related to that master cylinder because the bite pedal or the bite point changed a lot on the clutch as well. So I'm going to start getting everything loosened up, get that master swapped out. We are going to be doing the actual master, and it did come with a line as well, so we're going to swap out the line instead of keeping that hard line that's in there, and we'll have the master here. Biggest thing is we got a sticker. Everybody loves stickers, so I'm going to start pulling this thing apart and seeing if we can get this replaced. Okay, so a little progress update. I got the strut bar taken off, took the battery out just in case I wasn't 100% sure if I needed it out or not. I got the 2 bolts holding the master cylinder in on the inside. I just pushed the master out a little bit. So now it is free. I can reach in there and grab it. I am just trying to figure out how I can pull it out, because man, I think it was a lot easier on my Civic. So we're going to try to get the master cylinder pulled out. Once I get it out, I'm going to figure out how the line is running, probably pull the slave out as well, and then connect it all outside of the car and then mount it back inside of the car. So I'm gonna just work on pulling that slave out and seeing how the line routes, and we'll get you updated from there. Alrighty, so we got the old master cylinder out, and this thing was, look at that, how much play there is. Thing was definitely failing. I pulled the battery tray out as well so I can get the hard line out. There was 2 10mm bolts on the frame holding the hard line in place, and there was 1 10mm back here. You can maybe see where that hole is down there. That I had to take off to get the hard line off as well. I'm just about to pull out the slave cylinder now, and then I'll completely pull the hard line out, and I'll build the new line outside of the car and then get it installed into the car. Okay, so we got the old crusty hard clutch line out. Got the old slave here. I am going to reuse the slave because I don't think I have any issues with it. I'm just going to re-lube. Put some red and tacky on top of here before I put it back into the shift fork. So now this is all cleaned up. Just going to make sure everything looks the way I want it to, and then I'm going to start building the new clutch line with the master cylinder. Then it's going to go back into the car. Alright, just so you guys know, you do need to replace the slave cylinder. So I found that the K-Tuned line that comes with the K-Tuned CMC, it doesn't actually thread into here because it's not this style. So I am going to go pick up a new K-Tuned clutch master cylinder. Now I can't drive this car because there's no clutch in it. And this car is stuck in the garage. So we're going to find a ride up there. I'll grab the part. Once I get back, we'll get it installed, and I'll update you guys when I get back. Alrighty, boys. So it's a few days later, I did get a new slave cylinder. I actually was able to get the K-Tuned line on here. I bought a fitting. I think it was an M10 to 3AN fitting. But as you can see there, on the stock slave cylinder, bleeder screw snapped. So I'm going to get the line swapped on to the new slave. Then I should be able to put the car back together, bleed the clutch, and see how she does. I am leaving the delay valve in the stock slave, or the new slave. See how it goes with the new master cylinder before I go ahead and pull that out. I'll use it for a bit. If I do notice that I want to pull out the delay valve, I'll pull that out, and then I'll just have a full straight system with no delays or anything. But I'm going to go ahead and get this line pulled off of this old slave, toss this one, and get the new one mounted up. Okay, so we got the new slave removed, or new slave on. Line's all hooked up. Just gonna throw some red and tacky on the push rod right here. Get it mounted back right down there. Then we're gonna try to bleed it and make sure there's no leaks. Fingers crossed we're all good. Alrighty, so we got the new slave mounted on there. Clutch line is all routed, so that's all clear. I am gonna have to bend that a bit. There we go, change it the other way. As the line was routed right in front of the clutch fork. But that is all mounted now. No more issues, at least I don't think. I'm going to get the clutch pedal bled. Then I can start throwing this back together. Alrighty, so got the new slave in. New K-Tuned clutch master cylinder is in, and took it for a drive. The car drives absolutely amazing now. 10 times better than it did before. If any of you have a 3rd gen TL and you're having clutch issues, gear going into certain gear issues, I highly recommend it. Probably the best thing I could have done to upgrade it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Peace.